In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the layout of a slide. Changing a slide's layout is a quick way to reorganize your content without rebuilding the slide from scratch. A layout controls where placeholders like titles, subtitles, text boxes, and images sit on the slide, so choosing the right one can instantly make your information clearer and more balanced. Start by selecting the slide you want to update in the left panel. This panel displays small thumbnails of all your slides, and the one you click becomes the active slide. You'll usually see a highlight or border around it when it's selected. If you accidentally click on the canvas instead of the thumbnail, just click the thumbnail again to make sure the correct slide is active. Next, go to the top toolbar and click Layout. This opens a gallery of preset options designed to keep your presentation consistent and readable. If you don't see a layout button, no worries. You can also right-click directly on the slide's thumbnail in the left panel and choose Layout from the menu that appears. Both methods take you to the same set of choices, so use whichever feels more convenient. Now choose a new layout that suits your content. Common options include title slide for introductions, title and body for a standard heading with a main text area, and 2 columns when you want to compare information side by side. When you pick one, the placeholders on your slide will rearrange to match the design. Your existing content will move into the corresponding areas whenever possible. If something doesn't have a perfect spot in the new layout, it may stay where it is, and you can adjust it afterward if needed. Many apps also show a live preview as you hover, which can help you see what works best before you commit. Think about the purpose of the slide when choosing. If you're introducing a section, a title slide creates clear emphasis. For bulleted talking points, title and body keeps your message focused. If you're comparing features or outlining pros and cons, 2 columns gives each side equal visual weight. That's all there is to it. Select the slide in the left panel, open the layout options from the toolbar or by right-clicking, and pick the layout that best fits your message. If the change doesn't look right, you can always undo and try another option. With this simple approach, you'll keep your slides consistent, professional, and easy to follow.